was an oil man, so he understands the exploitation of minerals. The Silver Pena guy is the same guy, I think, that developed this, and he was trying to buy this forever, and she wouldn't sell it to him until the mother was costing $21,000 a month to keep the old bag happy. And so what they did was she decided to go ahead and finally sell it to her. Well, I leased 225 acres. If go away. That pretty much. I've been doing this now for 41 years, so I've pretty much seen just about everything. But they're pretty nice houses, you know. We can drive through there and you can look at them, but they're pretty nice houses. So this guy wants to kind of do the same thing and get in here and build, but he kind of wants to let us come in here and do what we want to do. And I said to him that, you know, you could end up with, you know, numerous wells in here. And so, and he was like, you guys go do whatever you want to do and just let me know. And that's pretty much what I've done, was just go ahead and remain very open with them and